All right. If you have a PowerTech 3.7 for any Jeep, Ram, Dodge, the V6 3.7, basically, I have some aftermarket dual coils I want to actually unbox. So I order a set of MSD. This, by the way, was ordered from T Dots Performance. I took that 20% day sale they have at the Boxing Day, whatever it's called. So part number is, hold on, let me find. Here we go. It says coils for any 09, 13 Dodge, Jeep, Ram, V6 3.7, part number 827376. All right. It should be 3 coils, not 6. If there's 6, we may have a problem. All right. So this is not my first time I open an MSD box. So far, it's all good. Okay, the sticker, and we have the 3 coils. So I'll just take one and show you. For those who don't know, this actually, it's on the driver's side. Both is, yeah, about like this. You have one, the spark plug that's here, it's plugged here. And you have a wire that goes to the other side. And the firing order is kind of weird. You have this cylinder here, which I think is number 1, goes, or 5, doesn't matter. The first one in front, where the driver's side, goes to the rear passenger one. And then the front passenger goes to the middle driver, and second one goes to the rear driver. So just a quick, actually there's actually a part number also on the coil itself. It looks to be 82737. We double check that. Yeah, 82737. A02. But unless you need one, but I guess you're better off order the kit. I think it cost me about 220 Canadian dollars for this kit. That was after the rebate. So that's it, that's all. Eventually, I'll do a full tune-up on the truck. And it should be his last tune-up ever. Reason I bought that, they're actually cheaper than the OEM. And I'm struggling with one coil. A Blue Streak coil that I purchased, I think 3 or 4 years ago. And yeah, since replacing one, I replaced them all. And do the tune-up with wires. That's it.